Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Onny Collagen capsules. Onny Collagen Soft Gel helps to nourish the brain, eyes, reduces acne, and effectively gives you a natural radiant skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid and probiotics to help improve the elasticity of the skin, giving you a healthier hair, skin and nails from the inside out. This product also increases muscle mass, prevents bone loss, and relieves pain of joint. How to use Onny Collagen. It is proper for an adult within the age range of 18 to 60 years to take 2 soft gels once a day. Do note that this product is not for use in children, pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, or in chronic medical illnesses except with the approval of your personal physician. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.